Hey, check out this Henscoqi X96 Android TV box that I've got here. Very, very compact. Great size, extremely light. It's got a little indicator on the front here to tell you it's got power. Nothing on that side. Here on the back, you have the input for the power, optical audio out, HDMI out, LAN cable, AV out. Interesting on this one, it comes with a infrared port, so I'll explain that in the middle or in a minute. On the back here we have two USB ports and a port for a mini memory card. What do you call it? Not compact flash, SD memory card. So you notice here a couple of little mounting ports on the back. So comes with nice little mounting bracket, which I'm guessing we can use to, and it's Velcro as well, so it's easy to take on and put off. I'm guessing people are going to want to put this, mount it, say on the back of their TV or whatever. So if you have a TV just on the wall, this will be nice so you can hide it out of sight. What else? It comes with a infrared port, what do you call it? Remote infrared blaster. So basically you can plug that into this port and then run this little bit here to the front of the TV. So that is strictly so that you can pick up the remote control, which I'm assuming is an IR remote control. I am going to tell you now, don't use these controls are frustrating to use, so I actually use something like this. It's an air mouse, quite nice. It basically duplicates the functionality of a keyboard and a mouse. It's very fast to use and to type in stuff and to move the mouse around. Comes with a little dongle, which you can plug into one of those USB ports. So it's a simpler solution. Then you won't need to use this. This kit also comes with a USB cable. I have one in my TV now, so I'm not going to be testing this. Comes with a power cord, of course, which we're going to need, and a user manual. Nice, very helpful. Features on this box. It has Android 6.0, which is kind of exciting to see. So it's one of the newer, more up-to-date operating systems. 1 gigabyte of memory, 8 gigabytes of flash. A bunch of that's already consumed with the recovery and blah, blah, blah. So really there isn't that much free. But I'll tell you now, my main uses for these TV boxes are for Netflix and for Kodi, and they run perfectly on this, so I don't have any issues with the memory sizes. I think those are the main features. There's no Bluetooth on this, unfortunately, which is sometimes handy if you want to have a Bluetooth keyboard or hook up headphones so you can listen to it without bothering other people. But that's it for the box itself. I'm going to try and give you a demo of the software as well. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. I have the box hooked up. I've dimmed the lights so it'll be harder to see, but basically my only connections are the power, HDMI, and then that little dongle for the air mouse combo. So you can see the mouse moving around the screen, very quick and easy to move. Anyway, let's fire up Kodi. And so this comes with a nice skin already built in. They tell you when you get the box to do a factory reset on it. That enables all of this extra content that they're adding in. I think there's some probably restrictions on them when they ship it from whatever country that they aren't supposed to include certain things. So these things are nicely hidden until you do a factory data reset. Anyways. This is all right out of the box. I haven't added anything to it at all. So if you have a look at the add-ons, PrimeWire is good for TV and movies. There's a ton of stuff on here I really don't know I've never used them. I haven't any idea what they all do, but let me have a look here. I know Cloud TV, I was looking at that the other day, so that's a pretty interesting way to get tons of live TV channels, and they are kept fairly current. So that's one of the frustrations with the live TV is they keep going up and down, but this one, it's updated very regularly, so you can get all kinds of North American and international live TV channels, so very good. Recommend you try that out. Makes it quite simple. Here's Exodus, so that's probably one of the leading add-ons for TV shows and movies, even current in the theater type movies. Very good. Ice Films there is good. I think it was probably more famous in the last couple of years, but I think it's still going strong. I don't use it as much. What else am I seeing here that looks good? Navi X, I don't use it, but I hear it's pretty good. I don't know too much about all these other ones. Sports Devil, all kinds of sports, lots of soccer and stuff, which I'm not a big fan of, so I don't really use it much. Salts is very good. Basically, you want to look for any kind of a TV show or a movie. Salts is pretty good about finding it. The Royal We, also pretty good for watching TV shows and movies. So these are the things that I use a lot of. And YouTube, if people are into YouTube. So maybe we'll have a look, just a quick look for Exodus. And just do a search, TV shows. I'm just going to look at Robot Chicken just because it's simple and quick to download if I want to give you a demo here. And I have to spell it properly. There we go. So if you're not familiar with Kodi, I just want to give you a quick look at what Kodi can do for you. So it's reasonably quick. I mean, there's a lot of web searching going on in the background while we're doing these searches. Let's just grab the first one and have a look, see how it works. There you have it. It's coming up. While I'm in there, I can pause it. I can check out the things if there's any issues with the performance. Basically, I'm looking at this thing right here. So if I can see that it's that's the caching, so it tells me that it's storing up content. So it's going to have a smooth performance. If you notice you're going to chop your performance, hit O and then look at that number. Now this box, this is just the default configuration. I think it has 15 megabytes of caching. There's an advanced settings file you can go in and set up if you want to be able to allow it to cache a lot more than this. You can probably set it up to 200 or 300 megabytes. And you'll find the performance while you're watching movies and longer shows will be a lot better, assuming the source itself isn't overloaded and can't supply data fast enough to you. So, now I can use my mouse and I can stop it. It's that easy. Now exiting. Basically just come down to the bottom here. So this takes a few seconds for it to clean up and whatever it needs to do to decide it's ready to quit. Hopefully it's not going to make me a liar and go on for 5 minutes. There we go. There you go. I don't really care about that message, but it's a bit annoying. Kodi has stopped. So it did its job. And then Netflix. I was trying this out yesterday and it was working great. So there's Netflix for you. Very fast. So the box is plenty fast, and you know, a quick look at the apps that it comes installed with if you're interested. Oh, Chrome automatically. That's a good one. I prefer that over the standard browser. Facebook, if you want to use it on a big screen, you can. You can read your Gmail on a big screen if you want. A bunch of these I don't really even know what they do. Play Store, you're going to need that, so you can basically I'm just using it out of the box. The Kodi version is, I think it's current, or there might be one more release since it's been put on the box, but you go to Play Store and grab the latest versions of Netflix and Kodi if you want. Showbox, some people are using that, but really go to Play Store and grab whatever apps you like. What else is in here? So that's a basic thing. If you want to play music, you can play music. Myself, I'm not really a big fan of doing that off the TV, but there could be a reason for it. Other things you could do, you can set up Daydream on this and have it do a slideshow. So if you want to, excuse me, want to put up a bunch of like your photo albums and things, you can have Daydream come on as a screensaver, which I think would be a nice use for a big screen TV. If you're not actively watching, you can just have a slideshow going in the background with your photos. I think that's it for now. I'm really impressed with the box. Nice small size, very powerful. Runs Netflix and Kodi perfectly. So those are my main interests in the box. Do yourself a favor, get an Air mouse or a mini keyboard mouse combo, and you'll find the experience a lot nicer. And you'll be quite happy with this. Thanks.